kicking my feet as I'm moving to the music. Step to the beat, I woke up today, canceled all my plans, and I stepped right outside with my guitar in my hands, and the notes became loud as the sound caressed the air, and I kicked it up a notch as I strolled without a care, cause I'm going down the road to a brand new place, and I'll get there with a smile on my face. Yeah, so lift me up, I'm moving on, singing and dancing while I play my song. Yeah, I'm having a good time, keeping it going. Come on, clap your hands and won't you sing along.
This is actually the second time we used Nancy. When we moved here, she was assigned to us, and we really liked her. She did a really good job running us around town and kind of trying to help us out with neighborhoods. And so when we got ready to sell the house, there were a lot of people we'd met in between that were realtors, and we're thinking, okay. And Keith says, no, we're going to call Nancy because I know she knows what she's doing.
Pave the way because everything is possible. Shout and say, hey, hey, I gotta go on and keep it pushing.
Professional service, personally delivered. That's Showcase really.